Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or modify a stamp in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll edit this stamp. Click on this comment option. Now simply click on this stamp and select, and you can fix this stamp rotation, make it 0 degree and so on. And you can place this stamp center of this horizontal page, and this is vertical, and see this. And also you can change this stamp transparency, and if you want you can add new stamp here and insert this final, this one, and see this. Here also you can change the stamp color, not showing here, and similarly you can change transparency and see this, and move it anywhere and see this. In this way you can edit stamp. Also you can delete this stamp and see this, and add new stamp. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.